Hindi ya kigomano kiria kihariirio tauni-ini ya Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni gikundi kia Impact Kenya miario ya gukinyaniria Wandikithia Wa Migunda ya muingi na nduriri ciikaraga icigo-ini itiganite ni hetwo muhari wa mbere. Wandikithia Wa Migunda ino ni ugwetetwo ta undu wa bata hari gutigirira aikari aria a kinduire a icigo ici matina hamurithio kana kwagithio handu ha guikara na gutafaniria mihango yao ya o muthenya.
Some of these parts of the country that you have a lot of natural resources like oil and other minerals, so that much as they are arid lands, they are actually useful. Now, for instance, we have take for instance like Thirikari wind project.
We have found that the formerly grazing lands which are in the cattle corridor of Uganda, the former rangelands which were traditional grazing lands, have been taken up by many other land use activities.
Kwitukira wirutaniria wa honge itiganite cia thirikari riwika nyingi cia mugunda ni ciandikithitio ta migunda ya uriithi ikinya riri kigathiririo na njira nene.
Due to the climate change that's worldwide, we are also getting problems of continuous droughts. They are happening every other time. We don't have enough. We can't run to any other place because there is restriction of movement. We are not allowed to move anymore.
These communities have an interest in how their land is held in terms of rights and registration and how it is used. And that's why this is important, so the communities are able to engage, come up with issues about their land, come up with issues about how is it that they want to ensure that their rights to land are properly registered.
Thirikari cia kaunti ni ciuritio kurekia wandikithia wa eka na eka iria cikoretwo ciandikithitio na maritwa macio riu ikaria kaunti ici makiurio kwambiriria mutaratara wa wandikithia mweru kaunti igitigirwo o wira wa urori.
Kwa leo watu wa moja wanaanza kuwa na udongo ambao serikali inajua, ambao na washefu wa asili wanajua kama ni pahali ya wale wakaaji wa kiasili.
Main challenge is that the pastoralists, who most of them don't own land, have been displaced and they are scattered all over the country and beyond the borders.
Kaunti cia Samburu, Laikipia na Kajiado ni citongoretio hari kwandikithia migunda ya nduriri cia uriithi riu kaunti ingi ikiurio kuhimbiria undu uyu. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.